Domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals that can be tamed by humans to serve some purpose for them. Come on, kids, let us together have a look at some of the domestic animals. Dogs. Dogs are popular animals which make for great family pets. Dogs have super sensitive smell. Out of all his senses, smell is the main sense a dog relies on. Cats. Cats have flexible bodies and teeth adapted for hunting small animals such as mice and rats. Young cats are called kittens. Camel. Camel is a large animal with a long neck. Camel lives in the desert and has one or two humps on its back. Horse. Horse is a large animal with 4 legs, which people ride on or use for carrying things or pulling vehicles. Donkey. Donkey is an animal like a small horse with long ears. Their most common role is for transport, whether riding, pack transport, or pulling carts. Cow. Cow is a large female farm animal raised for milk and other dairy products. Goat. Goat is an animal which usually has horns and is kept on farms to provide milk, meat, etc. Sheep. Sheep is a farm animal with thick wool that eats grass and is kept for its wool, skin and meat. Ox. An ox is also known as bull. Bulls are used for plowing, pulling carts, or for other purposes.